Hi friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will tell you about valuable USD Lincoln 1-cent penny. Greetings, fellow coin enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a riveting journey into the world of numismatics, with our focus squarely on the 2009 D Lincoln penny. Join me as we unravel the rich history, explore the unique features, and brace yourselves for the shocking revelation: could this seemingly ordinary coin be worth millions? Welcome to a numismatic adventure that might change the way you view pocket change. Historical prelude. Before we dive into the shocking value, let's set the stage by delving into the historical backdrop of 2009 in the United States. What events shaped this pivotal year, and how does the 2009 D Lincoln penny reflect the spirit of its time? It's more than just a coin, it's a historical artifact. Design mastery. Now, let's turn our attention to the design mastery that went into creating the 2009 D Lincoln penny. From the intricacies of Abraham Lincoln's portrait to the symbolism embedded in every detail, we'll dissect what makes this coin a visual masterpiece. It's not just currency, it's a work of art. Numismatic significance. What sets this coin apart in the world of numismatics? We're about to explore the key factors, from rare variations to the condition of the coin, that contribute to its potential shocking value. Get ready to uncover the numismatic secrets that could elevate this penny to a whole new level. Market dynamics. In the dynamic world of coin collecting, market trends play a pivotal role. Join me as we analyze the current demand for the 2009 D Lincoln penny and how its value has evolved over time. Could this coin be your unexpected ticket to financial prosperity? Shocking discoveries. Hold on to your seats, because we're about to unveil some shocking discoveries that could leave you astonished. Whether you're a seasoned collector or someone who just discovered this coin in your pocket, you won't want to miss the revelations that could make this penny a true numismatic gem. Expert perspectives. To add depth to our exploration, I've consulted with numismatic experts who share their perspectives on why the 2009 D Lincoln penny is creating waves in the collector's world. Their insights provide a deeper understanding of what makes this coin truly exceptional. Conclusion. In conclusion, get ready to see the 2009 D Lincoln penny in a whole new light. It's not just a piece of currency, it's a piece of history, a work of art, and potentially a high-value collectible worth millions. Like, subscribe, and join us on this numismatic odyssey. Who knows, you might be holding a small fortune in your hands. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2009 D Lincoln penny. Until next time, happy collecting.